Here's problem of the day number 24. Take a minute, pause the video, and then take a minute to write this down, and then fill out the blanks, and then check your answers when you're done. All right, let's look at A. A is in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So the slope is going to be the number in front of the x. So this time, the slope is 2. The y-intercept is what's ever added or subtracted on. In this case, there's nothing, so it's just going to be 0, 0. B. B is in point-slope form. So in point-slope form, we know it's point-slope form because it's got this parentheses here. The slope is the number in front of the x, so the slope is easy. That's just negative 1/2. And in point-slope form, the point is the opposite. The opposite of what's with the x is nothing because there's nothing added or subtracted on. So that part is 0. And then the opposite of what's with the y is positive 5. On C, C is in standard form, so we have to identify our A, B, and C. So the slope is found by taking the opposite of A over B. So the opposite of A would be negative 3 over B, which is 2. The x-intercept comes when we cover up this y, and that leaves us with 3x equals 9. So when I divide by 3, x is 3, so my x-intercept is 3, 0. My y-intercept comes when I cover up the x, so my equation is 2y equals negative 9. Oh, I made a mistake on this one. This should be negative 9, so that should be negative 3. So now when I solve, I divide by negative 2, so this would be 0, negative 9/2. All right, last but not least, this one is also in standard form. The a is the number in front of x. There is no a, so it's 0. The b is the number in front of y. The number in front of y is 1. So the slope is the opposite of a, which is 0, over b, which is 1. And with zeros on top, our slope is 0. You have to write 0, or if it's the other way around, 1 over 0, you write undefined. Hey, the x-intercept is when y goes away. Well, if y goes away, that left side of the equation is blank, so we have to put something there. So we get 0 equals negative 3, but that's not possible. So the x-intercept is none. The y-intercept is when x is gone. Well, x is gone, and we know that y equals negative 3, so my y-intercept is 0, negative 3. This should complete your problem of the day's sheet. Please make sure your name is on it, and then give it to the sub. If you have any that are blank because you have been absent, you need to get them from a classmate or from the Google Drive folder.